Michelle with Farmhouse Living, and welcome back to our channel. So earlier this week, Mom and I did a Christmas home tour of her house and showed all the Christmas details, and that was inside. And then today we are showing the back patio Christmas decor, and that was sparked by the inspiration by a piece of decor that Mom forgot to bring out.
Right, and so I was so trying to get the perfect mantle, and we searched and searched for the deer head, that I forgot my favorite piece of Christmas and left it in the attic, and it was reindeer.
Yeah, so like way back when, I mean I'm talking like 10 years ago, Mom bought a set of deer from Costco. She painted them white, and they have been one of her favorite things to pull out every single year. She forgot them. Since she forgot them, she was like, we have to do the patio now because I have to pull the deer out or it's not Christmas. So that is what sparked today's video. We started with a good cleanup. We used the blower, got rid of the leaves. There was lots of dirt and dust and, you know, nature on the patio because that's what happens on patios. And so, I mean, honestly, it's great to decorate this area seasonally because it gives you an opportunity to fluff it and, you know, care for it.
Yeah, give it a good once-over cleaning.
Yeah, and it needed it so that we could enjoy it to the fullest this season. We're in Texas, so normally it doesn't get too cold. Fingers crossed it doesn't get too cold. And so, yeah, the cleaning is where we started. Then we made an arrangement. We went to the local nursery. If you're in the DFW, Covington's is like our very favorite, and we made a little centerpiece. We've done this before, and if you watched our summer patio tour, we also made a more summery arrangement. What's great about going to your local nursery like that is they kind of have them set up that you can get an inspiration.
Also, we have relationships with the people at Covington. So Tammy, she helps us when we need a little advice.
Shout out to Tammy.
Shout out Tammy.
So yes, we made this. We saw one of their arrangements and just pulled similar pieces. So Mom, why don't you tell them how to do that?
Okay, so we just, as you said, we found enough pieces, some caladiums,
lamb's
ear, and a little Christmas tree. We made sure that it would all fit, put it in the bowl before we actually went to plant it, stuffed them in the bowl, and then we saw that it would all work, and we pulled it back out, and we layered it with dirt, and then we added the plants, packed some more dirt on top, and then you always just give it a good water.
Yep, and that makes it look like a very fancy schmancy Christmas arrangement, and hopefully it'll last through the season. We'll just see. We'll see how they live together, this little new harmony. So that was our first thing after cleaning. The next thing was we used our Cricut to make a few little accents. The first one was, of course, since we're doing this around the reindeer, we did our reindeer treats sign and our little basket of carrots. You know, Santa, gotta be prepared.
Right.
The next thing that we did was we made a little s'mores charcuterie board. Mom is the hostess with the mostest. Like, literally, it's just us, our family, and she's gonna do this. Like, this is real. This isn't YouTube, Instagram world.
Right.
This is Michelle Wallace right here, how she rolls. But what's cool about this is it looks handwritten, but we just used Cricut with vinyl and butcher paper and a basket that you can decorate with. So you could hang this basket on the wall. You could.
I do have that basket on the wall.
Yeah.
And when I'm gonna use it for different items, for food stuffs or whatever, I just pull it off the wall and pop it back up when it's over.
So you don't have to buy something special for something like that. It can be a versatile piece. So anyways, after we film this video, or I guess at the end of this video, Mom and I are going to actually go have s'mores at her fire pit.
Right.
So it's Friday, and so that's what it calls for.
That's right.
The next thing, cut greenery. Again, if you've been following our YouTube for any amount of time, you know that we love to bring greenery inside. We also did this for the patio. I learned that the evergreen that we've been cutting with the berries is juniper. I grabbed the ones with like a ton of berries on there. I love that look. I felt like it added something different. And also I felt like since it was going to be outside, if it was dropping the berries, it wouldn't be making a mess.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine. That's what happens outside, nature. So Mom's little hutch, she staged the top, and she also got another new plant from the garden center, and I don't remember what that's called, but we cut that all the time from her neighbor's house to make garlands, so we figured instead of cutting her neighbor's, we
would buy our own and plant it.
And
so after the patio refresh and we've enjoyed it for the season, we're going to find a place for it in the yard.
Yeah, and then we'll stop taking it we'll have our own. So
Right.
Then you did the pillows, swapped out some summer pillows and put some red, what are they, like sweater pillows?
Sweater pillows.
Yeah.
So we went to Home Goods and found some great pillows. They always have the best pillows.
Yeah.
I wanted this really rich, bright pop of red, and so we have that as the theme along with the reindeer.
Yeah, and then you got more reindeer on these other pillows throughout, and then you stuck some more white houses. You can never go wrong with those little white houses for Christmas.
Really? In the $5 and under.
Yeah,
at
that Target section, they have them all, and they're kind of nice because they carry through winter. I like things that can go past Christmas.
Did you know they light up?
No.
So at night we'll be able to turn them on and
Oh,
it'll
we
be real
should. When you get your Christmas
sweet.
lights, that can be an experience.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. So, anyways, we just did simple updates. Nothing I mean, honestly, it took us like an hour, right? I mean,
I think so.
the cleaning might have taken us a little bit more just because we did shake out both the rugs and get all the upholstery. I mean, upholstery takes a second to clean. But other than that, I mean, the decorations were simple.
Simple. Mhm.
So you don't have to do anything over the top, but it is fun to do your outside, especially if you enjoy your patio or backyard spaces like we do. I know the Texas people understand. I would love to know actually in the comments where you're from, and if you're up north, would this be worth it to like
Yeah, people up north are used to the cooler weather. You know, Aunt Jolie lives up north and she enjoys her patio.
in the winter?
In the winter.
Huh.
They have to shovel a little bit sometimes, but to get to it.
Yeah, I would love to know if you enjoy your outside spaces even when it gets cold this time of year. We do not get the same cold, so we are enjoying it until it gets too cold, and then we will just stay inside.
Texans are wimps.
Yeah, we're wimps. Anyways, Mom and I are going to go enjoy our s'mores charcuterie by the fire pit. We hope that you guys have a great day, that you enjoyed the video. If you would like more Christmas inspiration, we have the Christmas home tour that I will link below. We also have how to make an evergreen garland, and we have like 10 tours, Christmas tours.
Coming up.
Coming up, but on a playlist.
Right.
She always tries to finish my sentences, and it'll be something.
Some Porch Winds or something. I totally can read her mind.
She says something completely different. Anyways, close this up, Mom.
All right. So we do have videos coming up for Christmas.
Yes.
Some friends of ours, we're going to tour their home.
Yep.
And so you'll want to like, subscribe, share with your friends because we've got some fun stuff coming.
Yep.
Yep.
So, have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye.